In many suburb homes, office buildings, and apartment complexes, alarm systems only reach as far to cover the internal landscape of a house, leaving the outside without watch. A lot of times these places will have cameras guarding outside, but no form of notification if someone is seen on the property at a weird hour. I have chosen to build an alarm system with 2 forms of notification to help owners prevent burglaries and crimes committed without their knowledge. This alarm system will have a sensor to pick up any unusual movement happening during a period of time. From there, an LED will blink rapidly while simultaneously a speaker will play a loud tone of warning. This will force the intruder to become aware that he or she is being watched and become frazzled. It will also allow the owners to notify the police in a timely manner. The alarm will serve the purpose of bringing more awareness to intrusions by having 2 forms of warning instead of the usual one.
Time to go to bed. But first, let me set my alarm to keep my patio furniture safe. Ready to go. I'm an intruder coming to steal her patio furniture. Oh no. Oh no. I gotta go. I gotta go. Oh no, that's the alarm system going off. Hope nothing's being stolen. They must have ran off because they got scared of the alarm.
The project uses an Arduino Uno powered by a 5-volt battery pack, which allows the system to work fully. The photoresistor is then used to catch the intruder in action. This device picks up the change in light when the intruder passes and helps start the rest of the system. Once detected, an RGB LED will begin to blink multiple colors at a fast pace. At the same time, 2 piezo speakers will begin playing a buzzer noise for the second form of notification given in the alarm system.